Hey everyone, welcome back to ZBCN in the news. Zebec Network, or ZBCN, just posted an impressive 19% surge in 7 days. But here's the question. Do most traders even know what Zebec actually does? Today we'll break down what's really behind this price move. The numbers, the new tech upgrades, whale activity, and the catalysts that could make this rally just the beginning. 1. The numbers that matter. Let's start with the numbers, because the tape never lies. ZBCN closed last week around $0.0048 with a 19% weekly gain and a 17% intraday jump. Since launching in April 2024 at 0.00255, ZBCN's journey has been wild, from lows near 0.0007 to highs around 0.007, proving how dynamic this asset can be. Daily trading volume hit $33 million, nearly double the 30-day average, a strong signal of growing interest. Market cap sits just below $400 million, keeping ZBCN outside the top 200, meaning fresh listings or partnerships can still move the price significantly. Technically, RSI sits near 52, a perfectly neutral zone, neither overbought nor oversold. More importantly, the 200-day moving average has turned upward for the first time since May, a textbook early bullish signal. Whales are back in action too. We'll cover that soon. 2. Why the sudden green candle? So what's behind the surge? 3 key drivers. 1 Kraken listing. On October 15th, 2025, Kraken quietly added ZBCN. Kraken listings historically bring around 12% gains in the first 48 hours. ZBCN overshot that. A new exchange equals new liquidity, new eyes, and new credibility. 2 Real product progress. Zebec released version 3.2 of its Pay SDK, turning complex blockchain payroll into simple one-click APIs for Shopify stores. Now workers can access wages every second instead of waiting 2 weeks. Over 200 Web 2 companies have already integrated it, with setup time dropping from 4 hours to just 23 minutes. This is real-world blockchain adoption, not hype. 3 Solana rally, Solana, SOL, broke $190. And because Zebec runs on Solana, ZBCN usually moves with it, roughly 0.73 correlation. Solana's strength contributed around 4 points to ZBCN's recent 19% gain. The rest is Zebec-specific momentum. If you're enjoying these weekly ZBCN insights, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these updates coming. 3 Tokenomics and supply shock. Now let's talk tokenomics, the foundation of any crypto project. ZBCN has around 92.6 billion tokens in circulation out of a max supply of 100 billion. That's about 93% already in circulation. That means limited new supply, a bullish factor. Inflation under 2% annually. And the next major unlock isn't until March 2026. With no big releases coming soon, sell pressure stays low. Daily trading volume of $33 million means even modest buying can move the chart. Whale wallets holding over 1 million ZBCN have increased by 48 in just 10 days, clear accumulation. ZBCN powers the entire Zebec ecosystem, paying transaction fees, burning a portion of those fees, are deflationary, used in payroll apps and cards. Staking yields up to 15% APY and gives governance rights for protocol decisions. It's a utility token with real-world use, not just speculation. 4. The tech edge nobody talks about. Beyond payroll, Zebec's real innovation is continuous settlement, money that moves every second. Picture this. An invoice pays out the moment goods are delivered, or a bond accrues yield block by block. Zebec's SDK now includes built-in KYC, tax withholding, and OFAC compliance, making it attractive for Fortune 500 treasury departments to use blockchain legally. That's why investors like Circle, Coinbase, and Solana Ventures, Briar Capital, and Lightspeed have collectively invested $35 million into Zebec. They're not funding hype. They're backing real infrastructure. Zebec has also gone multi-chain, expanding from Solana to Ethereum, BNB chain, Base, and launching its CryptoCard ecosystem. This positions it as a bridge between traditional finance and Web3, especially as they integrate with projects like OpenDesi to bring blockchain payments to scientific research. 5. Price targets and market outlook. Let's talk projections. Immediate resistance, $0.0056. If ZBCN breaks and holds above that, next major target, $0.007, the May 2025 high. Analyst predictions vary. CoinScan 0.033 to 0.077 by early 2026, assuming 40% user growth QOQ. CoinCodex, short-term dip near 0.0034, but long-term 0.0099 by October 2026. BitScreener average 0.0029 to 0.0071 range for 2025. The stretch scenario, if Zebec captures just 2% of the global remittance market, models project 50 cents per token. That's ambitious but mathematically possible in a major bull cycle. So what's your ZBCN price target for this cycle? Drop it in the comments. The closest guess without going over gets featured in next week's episode. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more ZBCN weekly news.